Good morning, students. Today we will see the objectives of e-commerce. So, the objectives of e-commerce are as follow: developing a competitive market with an effective regulatory framework. Then, stimulating use and demand for information age products and services. Then, stimulating supply of new competitive information age products and services. In information society, one-stop shop for information, promotion and advice is desirable. Voluntary licensing system for providers of cryptographic services. Next objective, that is designing information security programs. So these are the various objectives of e-commerce. Now in detail we will see the more objectives of e-commerce. Students, you very well know that this era is online era. Everything means if we want to sell products or if we want to buy products and services, nowadays it is very popular. We use the e-commerce system, e-commerce process. Okay, then the more objectives of e-commerce now we will see in the detail. The first objective, that is reduce management cost. Students, because of e-commerce, the businessman or the manufacturers reduce their management costs because there is no workforce, more workforce needed to the businessman, and no more workforce not needed, then the cost is naturally reduced. Next is developing business relations. So students, because of e-commerce, business relations are developed too much. Businessman directly contact with the another businessman. Also businessman directly communicate with the customer, their customers or consumers. Consumers also communicate with their another consumer. Businessman communicated directly to the government. So these very facilities, these are various facilities available on the e-commerce system. That's why it is said that because of e-commerce, business relations are developed. So this is the second objective of e-commerce. The third is providing a unique customer experience. So already I told you that businessmen directly contact with their customer or consumer, so they knows their taste, their desire, all things they know because they directly contact with their customers. So the unique experience has come to the businessman because of the e-commerce. Next objective, that is increasing the number of loyal customers. So you know that because of e-commerce you can do business at the global level. World become like as a small village. So you contact various customers at the global level. So when you contact with more customers, then your loyal customers contact with you, and that's why your loyal customers number is increasing day by day because of the e-commerce. So this is also a important objective of e-commerce. Next is boosting the efficiency of services. So students, because of e-commerce, your services, efficiency of services are boosting day by day. E-commerce, there are so many features of e-commerce, there are so many advantages of e-commerce, and that's why these services efficiency boosting day by day. Next is developing relevant target. E-commerce provides various efficiency of services, and that's why your relevant target is developing. Where you contact with various customers, various consumers, and that's why your target you get earlier or fastly or quickly. There is cutthroat competition in the market, we all know. But because of e-commerce, you contact with the customer at the global level, and that's why you achieve your target, you achieved your goal. Next is a market making responsive e-commerce website. So because of e-commerce, you make your website, or you make your business's website, you do advertising of your website, various customers browsing on your website, they knows your services, they know about your products, so they you get response your website because so many customer visit there, and I think more of the people open the website and knows about it, and they take detailed information about it, and maybe contact with the businessman, with the manufacturer. So because of e-commerce making in responsive e-commerce website, this is a more important objective of e-commerce. And the last objective, that is increasing sales. So students, already I told you that a world become as a small village nowadays because of the internet. At the global level, if you want, you can easily buying your products and services at the global level, means you can contact any customer which are situated in the any countries, like means Europe, like as America. So you can contact any customers, and you means shipping your goods to that customers which are situated any corner of the world. So because of e-commerce, your sales is increased. So you know that at the global level there are so many customers available, and they need your products, maybe they need your services, and definitely they contact with you when they reach your website, when they browse on your website. At that time, if they need that products or services, they contact with you, and such then your sales is increased day by day. So these are the various objectives of e-commerce. In the next lecture, students, we will see the various models of e-commerce, and you know that the models of e-commerce is the foundation of e-commerce. In these models of e-commerce, we study about B2B, businessman to businessman. Then we study about B2C, businessman to customer. Then C2C, that is consumer to consumer. And then consumer to business, that is called C2B. Okay, you definitely visit my channel, YouTube channel. You like my YouTube channel and subscribe it. Okay, good day students.